Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to check out how to use Nerdwallet to compare Fundbox alternatives. Are you looking for alternatives to Fundbox? Let's walk through exactly how to use Nerdwallet to explore, compare, and choose the best small business financing options for your needs. Step 1. Go to Nerdwallet's business loans section. Visit nerdwallet.com. There click on loans and small business loans. You're going to land on a curated list of top lenders, including Fundbox competitors like Bluevine, OnDeck, and Cabbage. Next step is to use filter to refine your option. Set filter by loan types, time in business, annual revenue, and personal credit score. This helps you to narrow down to lenders that match your profile. Next is to compare side by side. Nerdwallet shows comparisons on loan amounts and repayment terms, as well as APR or interest rate, also funding speed, and minimum qualifications, likewise pro and cons of each lender. Step 4. Read Nerdwallet reviews. Each lender has a detailed review. You can see the user reviews, ease of application, ideal use cases. This is great for understanding real-world experiences. Step 5 is to apply or get pre-qualified. Many lenders allow you to get pre-qualified directly from Nerdwallet. No hard credit pool for most pre-qualifications, and you can compare offers before committing. Step 6 is to compare Fundbox with its top rivals. Now, some Nerdwallet listed alternatives to check. You can check Bluevine, which offers higher limits. You can also check OnDeck, which is good for repeat borrowers. Likewise, you can check PayPal Working Capital, which is great for e-commerce. You also have Toro or Credibly, which is for lower credit scores. Nerdwallet makes it easy to see Fundbox's strengths and weaknesses next to other lenders. Use it to compare offers, understand total borrowing cost, and of course to find the right financing fit for your business goals. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.